Hi, today we are going to discuss about travel the world, travel to the best ski sites. Here are some tips and guide for you to know about travels. The snow, the slope, the scene, the chill, these factors are important in considering the ski site. Some ski enthusiasts are really making sure that they do not only go skiing because of their hobby but they also check out the ski sites. They are indeed worth your visit. These sites are also having this race to popularity against each other. As of the present, there are a lot of well-known ski sites around the globe. You could check for yourself the 7 most sought-after sites where you could enjoy the thrill, the challenge and the splash of snow. According to AskMen.com, these are the 7 ski sites you would not dare miss going to and a travel would be very cherished for you. Vermont, eastern US is the mother of the ski resort named Stowe. There are 2 ski areas here, Spruce Peak and Mount Mansfield. It has the most picturesque ski resort in the area. It possesses the traditional New England lure and the largest vertical drop. In France, the host of the first World Olympic Games, Chamonix-Mont Blanc is one of the world's finest ski sites. It is proud to have a lift-served vertical drop and the longest run. Mount Norquay, Sunshine Village, and Lake Louise are 3 ski sites that could be found in Banff National Park in Western Canada. Be captivated with Vail, also called as the America's favorite ski resort. What makes this resort from Colorado, in western United States so unique is that it does not only hold skiing activities but as well as it gives clients the best art galleries, ice skating, snow mobiling and the like. Switzerland, one of the cleanest in the world, who would have known that in its womb, is the beautiful, it is said to be the cleanest ski resort. The peace of mind it complementing T6 beautiful country of Switzerland is really a sight. Go to Austria and visit Kitzbühel, the Peel of the Alps. As the former host of the Olympics, it also has the breathtaking scene that would steal any skier's heart out. It is also the most famous during holidays. The most famous ski site is the Whistler, Blackcomb, which could be found in British Columbia. It has the biggest vertical drop. What makes it so big for those thrill enthusiasts? Cafes, restaurants that cater foods of the world, stores that are internationally known, make it as the coolest spot for both skiers and non-skiers. The delicious food is the topmost reason why people crave for this ski site. Discover the snow, the thrill, the fun, the excitement. Unravel the skier and you visit the 7 of the best ski sites in the planet. Travel the world, travel around these sites for skiing. If you're new to this channel, please drop down like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on my next video.